guys, welcome to my new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you a tool. So basically this is the tool, and I got it on Amazon for ₹99, and it is used to remove the minor stones or small stones in the tire which are stuck in the tires. See, I'll remove it. Easy to remove. See, it fell there. So as I drive in like more construction kind of area, so it is very useful for me, and the thing is it is good for your tires in long term. You can use it for motorcycle or car. So actually I had removed this, so I'm not getting more stones, so we'll try backside. You can also use it for accessing this area to remove anything stuck here and in like areas like this, so and here also. And if you unscrew this metal spikes, you will get screwdriver, which is basic screwdriver, basically a long one. You can just check it out, and I will definitely recommend this. It comes for ₹99, so not much of a big deal. And yeah, one more removed. So these things, this is required for your daily car maintenance. I guess that's it, because one more. See, here, it will not damage your car tire, but it will remove the stones definitely here. So I will share the link, and you can order this too. So it has multiple sides like pull, push, pull, remove. So it's very easy to use tool, and it's lengthy, so you can use it for any vehicle. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, and goodbye. Thanks.